Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about miniMONGOOSE and why miniMONGOOSE already have the last 24 hours 318% performed, and from the all-time high, all-time low, we have already over 10x in profit gains. So let's step deeper into this project. If you want to see more of this kind of videos every day, the newest and hottest tokens, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comments what you think about this video or miniMONGOOSE. Let's have a look. miniMONGOOSE is here to give people another chance to get in early and make 100x. Adopt cute miniMONGOOSE to cure your FOMO of missing out on #Mongoose. So it is a meme token, yes, so please don't ask me anything about serious coin or serious investment. Guys, 99.99999 projects outside are not real projects. Point. This is what I say. And even the projects in the top 10 on CoinGecko are not all really projects, right? So just look deeper inside. We are just here to make some nice quick profits with some nice miniMONGOOSE tokens. And why not? P2E Game, I think they want to start here a mini video game that you'll be able to play on desktop. The more Shermans that you collect, the higher your score will be. At the end of each day, the top 3 winners will win Ethereum sent directly to their wallets. So this is a very nice project. I think, look, you can play here this cute game, right? Just have a look on this video. And I'm not actually playing right now. Yes, this is just a demo version of that game. So I think the more you come forward into the levels here, or time, or whatever, how they count it, the more you can earn, and the top 3 winners will win Ethereum sent directly to their wallet. So I like it. The top 3 scores at the end of the day will be awarded. Here you can see the first is 0.5 Ethereum, 0.3 second, and the third, on the third place, 0.2 Ethereum. And guys, I mean, look at this. You know how high Ethereum prices are right now? You don't know? Well, let's have a look. Ethereum right now, over 4,000 US dollar. So that means, guys, if you are already at home and don't know what to do, why don't you play the miniMONGOOSE game? Right? Yes. And it will be soon out to play the game. And then, guys, you can win here half Ethereum. Half Ethereum, that means 2,000 US dollars. And I like this kind of project because you can already do something with this project. You can already do something. So, and I hope this game will be soon out. Let's have a look here. They have miniMONGOOSE channel. They have here 1,600 subscribers right now. It is a very early project, guys, so don't miss it out. They have 316 followers, and the price, I mean, look at the price. We have here liquidity. People invest already near 500,000, and the last trading volume was 3.8 million. So let's have a look. I have here on Dex Guru, I have here, let's make a 15 minutes, a 10 minutes candle chart, okay? That means every candle you can see here represents 10 minutes. And this is here actual. This is here where we are now. Okay. And this is the point where they start. December 10, they start. Now we have December 12 and December 11, sorry. And it is already easily a 10x. So, and many things happen here after first day. This thing pumps very quick, and very quick the first people take their profits out, right? But this is normal. This is a normal procedure. But I think, why not? If the community grows more and more, you can easily double up here, make another 10x. Why not? And yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this project, miniMONGOOSE. It will be soon. They have a game which you can play, this kind of cute game, take out some profits if you're one of the three best players in miniMONGOOSE, and check it out. I mean, look at the price, it is very low. You can buy a lot miniMONGOOSE token right now, and who knows what they plan for the future if this project is successful, if they build up a big community. So let me know what you think, guys. Write it down into the comments about miniMONGOOSE. Like the video if you like the project, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, guys, I wish you the very best profit with miniMONGOOSE, and see you later, alligator. Bye.